Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Modern Warfare 3 Vault Edition Battle Pass not working problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Check for Day 1 player status. If you are a Day 1 player of the game, it's important to note that the Battle Pass COD points and tier skips will not be immediately available. These features will only unlock during the game's first full season, which is expected to go live around December 6, 2023. Method 2. Check your edition. Ensure that you have purchased the correct edition of the game. The Vault Edition includes a Battle Pass, COD points, and tier skips as a part of the Black Cell unlocks. If you have purchased the Standard Edition, you will not have access to these features. To check which edition you have to go to the game's main menu and look for any indication of the Vault Edition. Method 3. Contact Activision support. If you have the correct edition and are still experiencing issue with the Battle Pass, the next step is to contact Activision support. I have provided the link in the description, so you can copy the link and contact them. Provide as much as detail possible to them. Method 4. Provide proof of purchase. When contacting Activision support, be sure to provide proof of purchase for the Vault Edition. These can include a receipt or confirmation email from the retailer where you purchased the game. This will help them verify that you have correct edition and are eligible for support. Method 5. Follow their instruction. Once you receive a response from Activision support, be sure to follow their instruction carefully. This may involve resetting your account or applying a patch to the game. Method 6. Check for update. After following their instruction, check for any game updates or patches that may have been released. Installing these updates can help resolve any remaining issues with the Battle Pass. To check for update, go to the game's main menu and look for any prompts to download or install update. That's it. Thanks for watching.